Well, I've got the welding table all disassembled and went ahead and sanded down the bottom. Fixing to go ahead and shoot that with some flat black. It'll look good against the stainless steel upright there. And the top plate I've still yet to clean up. I'm just going to go ahead and sand it down. I'm not going to paint that. It's going to be seeing heat from the torch anyway, so it's pretty pointless. But I'm going to go ahead and get this thing painted up and put her back together and finally be done with it. Should look good. Okay guys, we got her all shot up with paint. Now I'm just going to give it time to dry and go ahead and reassemble this thing. Stop by the hardware store and pick me up a 2 1/4 inch washer to go ahead and put on top of that one base where the top plate goes on. So by the end of the day, this thing will be totally done. Take another video, short video, when I get more progress done. Well, the shaft is mounted back on the base plate, and I've been looking at this top, and the bolt situation was creating me a problem. So I'm going to go ahead and countersink this hole to accept this guy right here. So this way that'll drop in and be flush with the top of the table versus anything sticking up. I don't want anything in my way, and I think that's going to work out best for me. So I'm going to continue to countersink, and I'll give you a report when I'm done. Well, I got the hole countersunk. I'll tell you what, that's some damn tough metal too. Okay, we're ready to do the final assembly on this guy and call it a day. So I've got a little bit of grease up here. I just need to spread that out. Just to give the washer some lubrication to spin on. Didn't want to go the bearing route. Checked the prices, they were too expensive. So we're going to do it the cheap route, the way I like it. I've got grease already on top of my washer. So now I got grease on the bottom of the washer. So let's get this heavy plate on here. And I've countersunk that hole to accept that guy there. Got a little grease on it too. So let's spin that guy in. It goes right below flush. No need to, doesn't tip, so no need to crank this down too hard. I don't want it spinning too easy, so I'll put just enough pressure to make it a little tough to move. A little bit of grease squirting up through the little hole there. And there, my friends, It's done. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the build. I had fun making it. I'm sure I'm going to have fun using it. So make yourself a welding table that rotates. It'll make your life a lot easier.